Hi, I'm Natalie. Thanks for stopping by Riverside Point, a new home community in the Lehigh Valley. I think you're gonna like it here. Let me show you around. This neighborhood of brand new, affordable twin homes is located in Northampton, offering peaceful surroundings just 10 miles from Allentown and Bethlehem. Perfect for families and individuals, these 2- and 3-story homes boast a spacious open floor plan with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and plenty of storage. Each home has spacious side and backyards for barbecuing and playing. You won't have to worry about parking either. The 2-story homes have a driveway wide enough for 2 cars, and the 3-story homes offer a 1-car garage. Plus, all appliances are included at Riverside Point, and you'll have the option to upgrade to stainless steel. Located in Northampton, you'll be close to I-22 and the Pennsylvania Turnpike for access to anywhere in the region and beyond. Want to grab a bite to eat or take in a festival? Allentown and Bethlehem are nearby. Need to do some serious shopping? You'll find 150 shops and restaurants at the Lehigh Valley Mall. At Riverside Point, we make homeownership as stress-free as possible. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with a 10-year structural warranty and included yard care. Riverside Point is right next to the D&L Trail, a 165-mile path where you can take a walk, ride your bike, discover unique places, or just take in the scenery. So are you ready to start living the dream of homeownership? Call us to set up an appointment to see your future home. We can't wait to see you.